I'm gonna talk about what it means to be instructor. And I've been instructor for a while, but I would like to ask this question to someone who's just going to become instructor.
So being instructor to me, I guess it's actually quite a hard question. I think someone that shows good leadership qualities, lives their life through example, lives their life through example, through diving, exploring, good leadership qualities. That's about all I can think of.
Why you wanna do, why you wanna jump into this? Why you wanna do that?
I think the lifestyle is very attractive. It's I think it's second to none to be inside the ocean, to be swimming with the coral. I couldn't pick a more perfect life. It fits in like the last puzzle piece to everything I've been doing for the last 10, 15 years. It's just feels natural, so that's what I'm going to do.
Great.
Yeah.
That's exactly what I wanted to hear from you.
That's how I feel.
Yeah. Great. Thank you, Elliot.
I will be make this different. I will be teach them at first the background about the safety, and then you can having so much fun like you want.
Safe fun.
Yeah, but not the boring safe fun.
Okay.
Normal one, but you need.
Is it fun can be boring at all?
Yeah, then many people take this too serious, and this is not fun.
But it is not fun at all, right? So it cannot be boring fun.
But you need to know what you do under the water. That is not only jumping and take some picture with the fishes. And
Okay.
you need to know what is happening with your body. What do you?
So in your understanding, a good instructor is who's taking care about the students, teaching safe practices, and at the same time it's still fun.
Yeah.
Okay, that sounds good. Today I ask my students what it means for them to be instructor, and it made me think about that, and I just try to formulate, or just to, how to say, I just try to answer to myself what it means for me to be instructor. I think to be instructor is, you have to be psychologist. You have to be in the moment when the student is doing the course. You have to probably be the best friend, who is like the best friend who knows this person for a really long time, so you understand what this guy is feeling. To be instructor, it means to read all the problems from their eyes. To be instructor, it means to be gentle and instructor is a kind of the person who never stop learning. There is two ways always for instructors. The one way is to stuck in routine, another thing is to constantly grow and develop yourself. I understand the seasons can be busy and we sometimes get frustrated because we are tired, but the one thing we have to understand always, that student is here for the holidays and they want to enjoy these holidays. be instructor, just because instructor is not the one who's teaching the skills. It's mainly, I don't know, it's probably giving me one of the human's most needed feeling. I'm feeling myself needed. I'm feeling myself useful for the people. I'm kind of changing people's lives, and I'm introducing them to the world which I love. And then sometimes people asking me, is it still interesting for you diving? And I met a lot of instructors who's actually are tired of diving, and they just diving just because it's giving them some income. And I think that's the most dangerous, actually, because if you don't like something, so how can you transfer the emotions to the people who just start diving? And I promised to myself that one day when I will feel that I don't enjoy this diving stuff anymore, so I will stop teaching at all, because I cannot transfer to the people anything. I'm empty, like an empty bucket. There's nothing left in me, so what I can share with the people. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you found it interesting, and see you tomorrow. I was really happy to see you again. Bye. Those skies. Looks like rain season came earlier this year. It's the end of October, and last night there was a really strong rain with a thunderstorm. So